Hey guys, welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Outdoor Speaker with titanium drivers, BassUp Technology, IPX7 Waterproof, 24 hours playtime, built-in handle, portable Bluetooth speaker for indoor and outdoors camping. So let's unbox it. So what we got in the box: one Soundcore Bluetooth speaker, some papers like user manual, warranty card, safety sheet, and one Type-C charging cable. Okay, so nice speaker, nice one. So the first one is bass up button. It boosts the bass. This is Bluetooth pairing button, volume down button. This is multi-function button. Single press for play and pause, double press to skip to the next song, and if you press 3 times it go back to the previous song. So this is volume up button, power on off, and this one is live light effect button. If turn on and turn off the light. Nice handle, nice body, nice. Okay, let's see what's in the back. Must be charging connections. Yeah. Okay, the first one is the USB-A port for charging out, and this is USB-C port for charging in. So this first USB-A port for charging out, it means it's a built-in power bank, so you guys can charge your phones, tablets, iPads, the small gadgets. Yeah, nice. It's nice. Fully waterproof. Nice speaker. So this speaker, it's a powerful stereo sound. It gives powerful stereo sound. So this Motion Boom outdoor speaker has drivers with 100% pure titanium, for music that sounds crystal clear even at high volumes outdoors. IPX7 waterproof and floats. It floats on water. You don't need to worry about this. Thumping bass. So the BassUp technology analyzes the low frequencies in real time and intensifies them for a huge hit of bass. Customizable EQ via the Soundcore app. The app is available on Playstore and Applestore. It's a Soundcore app for other for features. And the battery is 24 hours of playtime. So the battery is 10,000 mAh. Enough, too much. 24 hours playtime. The Bluetooth is 5.0. It's nice Bluetooth speaker. Okay, it's time to listen to music. Okay, it's time to turn on the Bluetooth speaker and listen the music. Okay, let me turn on the speaker and check the performance of Soundcore waterproof Bluetooth speaker.